But first, mushrooms. If you think they all grow on forest floors, you better think again. This is how a mushroom factory produces the fantastic fungi on a massive scale. This story of the mushroom begins with the compost it's grown in. Lorry loads of manure are delivered here every day, already laced with millions of mushroom spores. A fertilizer is added to help them get growing. The mixture is then laid out into vast trays. This task used to be performed by hand, but automation has taken over and now a tray can be filled every 15 seconds. This means the growers can produce far more mushrooms than before to meet the enormous demand. In 2005, we ate a staggering 67,000 tons of mushrooms in the UK alone. Finally, a layer of damp mulch is spread liberally over each tray. It protects the mushroom spores and keeps the humidity in so they can grow faster. To keep the crop free from insects, they use a pressurized environment that keeps the bugs at bay. Because mushrooms don't need any light to grow, the factory can save space by stacking the trays on top of one another. They're stored in these gigantic climate-controlled chambers, where the temperature and humidity can be kept at the ideal level for mushroom growth. The crop is regularly inspected to make sure things are going to plan. In this factory, the mushrooms take approximately 2 weeks to reach maturity, and during this period they grow in size every day until each tray is almost overflowing. The trays with the ripened mushrooms are taken here, where nimble-fingered workers pick the cream-white crop. They harvest up to 80 tons per week. A third of the harvested mushrooms are shipped fresh to vegetable stands and supermarkets all over Europe. Here, they are sorted according to their size and weight. The remaining mushrooms are destined for ready meals and pizza toppings. Having grown in cow manure compost, the first thing the mushrooms need is a good bath. Once they're clean, a quality controller picks out any damaged ones. And then the healthy mushrooms go into another bath, which makes them float either stem up or stem down. This means that when they hit the slicer, they're all cut vertically. They're then sent off to be frozen, ensuring they'll stay as fresh as possible. The final leg of their journey takes them to this machine, where they are weighed and then dumped into boxes. The sealed boxes are taken by conveyor belt to be loaded up onto pallets. With this factory producing over 4,000 tons of mushrooms each year, It looks like mushrooms are really growing on us.